survivors. I once thought, when I'm home I won't give a damn, but now I know I'm caught. I'll never leave Vietnam.
War isn't over when it ends. Some pictures never leave your mind. The other faces of the children, the ones we left behind. They called Bui Doi, the dust of life, conceived in hell and born in strife. They are the living reminder of all the good we failed to do, because we know deep in our hearts that they are all our children too.
Those kitted walls on every side, they don't belong in any place.